Today we are going to solve Python division problem on HackerRank. Here our task is to read two integers a and b and to calculate integer division and float division. For integer division we have to divide with two slashes, and for float division we have to divide with single slash. Float division means the output will be in float form. Integer division means the output will be in integer form. Here we can see an example: a equals to 3, b equals to 5. For integer division, a double slash 5 is equal to 0. Output is in integer form. For float division, a single slash 5 is equals to 0.5. Here we can see our output is in float form. Sample input and output are same as above. So now let's implement it. Here they provided a code which reads two integers a and b. Now we have to write print statements. First one is to print integer division, means print a double slash b, and second one is to print float division, print a single slash b. Now let's run the code. Yeah, sample test cases were passed. Now let's submit the code. Yeah, all our test cases were passed.